Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Jasmy. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please go down below, hit that subscribe button. While you're down there, if you can tap the like button, I'd really appreciate it. All right, bear with me here. I'm not feeling very well, so shortness of breath and possible coughing. I'll try to move my face away from the microphone if that happens. But yeah, so bear with me. I'm going to try and make this video, and it might be shorter than expected. But here we go. Jasmy. So we have been following Jasmy, getting this breakout of this falling wedge here. Looks like we're testing the 0 level on the market cipher B down here. And as you can see, if we can get above the 0 level, you know, we can possibly get another blast off to the upside. So we're just waiting to see that. The RSI is still well below the 50 level, so there's plenty of room to run to run there. So I'll get to what I talked about in my last video here in just a second when we zoom in. But what I wanted to point out really quickly is we've been just fighting with this 236 Fibonacci. So I've got the Fibonacci coming from this previous local high over here around the 047 area, basically the 0.5 area, and coming down to the bottom. And actually, this isn't even. Yeah, that's not even in the right spot. Hold on, let me just move that up a tad. Okay, so as you can see, we've been getting rejected once, twice. Tried to get above it, and then a massive rejection candle right here coming in. And so we're just fighting with that area right now to get above this 236, which is sitting at the 0.055 area, basically. And so let's kind of zoom in here. I want to go to the 12-hour because it points it out a little bit better. Maybe the 4-hour. Where did I have this at? Yeah, it was the 4-hour. So I feel like my line got moved at some point. So in my last video, I was talking about a possible head and shoulders coming in here for Jasmy, where we had the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. Now it did go up a little bit more, and this just does not. What was I looking at that at? Like I must have been using a different chart because this just doesn't look the same as when I remember. So anyway, I must have been using a different chart. But anyways, it's kind of playing out though. So we did have this left shoulder here, the head, the right shoulder, and we fell below the line. And as you can see, we retested it, and it looks like we're getting rejected off of it. So it kind of looks like we're about to fall a little bit further. And if we do, kind of just get an idea of where that might be. Well, that brings us down lower than the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame would be the price target. We don't actually have to get there. We can stop at that 200 EMA. But what I want to do here is I want to put on this guy and kind of throw out some Fibonacci's here. So on the 4-hour time frame from the bottom to the top here. So yeah, we are right now holding the 0.5 Fibonacci around the 0.005 area. But like I said, we're getting rejected off of that, not only the this trend line here where the head and shoulders would be the neckline, but also the 382 Fibonacci. So it does look like next target down would be the 0.048 area, around the 618 Fibonacci here, if you put it from this low here on the 4-hour time frame to the high. But I kind of feel like we're going to break through that and at least, at minimum, retest this 200 EMA on the 4-hour, which is sitting at the 0.044 area. Doesn't have to happen. We could get a pump. Really, I think a lot of this is going to depend on Wednesday, the FOMC meeting, when they, you know, raise the rates or whatever. But as of right now, the way the chart's sitting, does look like we're at least at minimum coming down to that 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. Obviously, that, you know, if we can break back above, I'm going to say if we can get above the 0.054 area, I think that would be invalidated. But as of right now, it still looks like we're going down a little bit further. Let's go to the 12-hour really quick. Let's move this Fibonacci. Let's get rid of that. And then I'm going to do a 12-hour Fibonacci from the bottom here. Lock that to the high, and that actually brings, so the price target brings us perfectly down to the 0.5 Fibonacci on the 12-hour time frame, which I think is actually likely to get hit, which is around the 00, let's just say 004 area, is where price target would be. You know, I would say it's likely to go down there. I'd say, I'm going to say 50-50 right now to get down there, just because the FOMC meeting is coming up on Wednesday, and who knows what's going to happen. If they raise it by 50 basis points, which everybody's saying 25 basis points right now, that's going to really affect the market and could have a massive push to the downside, which could get us there. If they raise it by 20, you know, the 25 basis points that they say they're going to, then we'll probably pump, and maybe this is just invalidated and it's just a fake out. And then if they don't raise it by anything, then we're going to skyrocket out of here. So we'll just have to wait and see. But it's looking very weak, in my opinion, for Jasmy right now in the shorter term. Longer term, I mean, we're definitely going higher in the longer term. But in the shorter term, it's looking very weak. So pay attention to that. The head and shoulders looks to be playing out. And my price target for the lowest price target, well, not the lowest, but one of the areas of interest would be around the 004 area. Then next would be down around the 0035 area. And then one more after that would be the 0032 area. So pay attention to those levels. And that's kind of what I see for Jasmy in the short term. I'm going to be making a video here shortly with basically how much Jasmy I think that you need to become a millionaire during this run, especially since this run is, in my opinion, just getting started. Right now would be a great time to invest in this project if you believe in this project. If you got in at the lows down here, then you're sitting pretty. And yeah, so anyway, I'll have a video out this week once I start feeling a little bit better about you know, price targets and how much you need, how much Jasmy you need to become a millionaire in this cycle. But right now, looking bearish in the short term, long term bullish. And pay attention to these levels, and then we'll just have to wait and see what happens on Wednesday. I'll try and keep you guys posted. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you later.